What's up, YouTube? 16 Vlogger, and I'm back with another friggin' exciting video. Man cooking. Gonna do me some sesame seed tuna. One of my favorites. Yum, yum, yum. Just take me black sesame seed. Slap it out like that. Oh wow, it's making it's like that freaking magnet thing. Holy crap. Come on. I need you to work with me, sesame seeds. I usually don't have that problem. Alright, blammo. This is my take on blackened sesame seed salmon. Or tuna. I don't put any of the sauce on it to make it look black. I just do this. Like so. Put a little more on there. Leave the top off this time. I was a little premature topping it last time. Yum yum. This is so good. Now this stuff I do really hot. So it's just seared. It's sesame seed seared tuna. And then I'll do my rice, a jalapeno, some oh shit, what's that other pepper I love? Starts with a C, don't tell me. Cayenne. Son of a bitch, man. Yeah, whatever. All right, get that up. That one didn't cover as nicely, but that's all right. I got my butter, got the grill fired up. I'll see it out the grill. All right, so we're about, what are we, 450? Could be hotter, but yeah, let me crank her up a tad more here. Oh yeah. Yummy, yum, yum. Of course, this is just store brand butter, salted. I usually use a Kerrygold, but I don't have me Kerrygold, so I'll just have to make do with that. All right. Grab me fish. Let's see what we're looking like here. Let that heat up a jiffy. That is good enough. What the hell? See, it's just not. It's not really hot enough, but it'll do. That'll do. All right, let that on there for a few seconds. Then I'll flip it. See if I can grow me a sesame seed tree. I don't even know, dude. Where do they even get sesame seeds from? Sesame Street? Sesame, I don't know. All right. Oh shit. Ha ha. My spatula was touching the grill. That's all right. I'll just form it back down there. That's hot. That plastic's hot. Or rubber, whatever it is. Now I got freaking toxins all in me. All right, blammo. Blammo. Leave that on there for a couple seconds. make sure that I keep things well clear of the... Of course, my cooking station out here is really nice and organized and clean and everything, so... All right, we'll let that cook for a second. Won't take long. Then I'll just do the sides real quick and it'll be done. Doesn't take long. Of course, then you got to go eat yourself a handful of ivermectin afterwards to get rid of all the parasites you get in you. But whatever. Hey, it's still good. So. All right, that should be good. All right. So we'll just hit the sides here. There you have it. Look at that crap. Oofa. Nummy, nummy. All right, well, I'll see you when I get the rest of it made. All right, so I got my my tuna. You notice there's one piece missing. I ate that piece last night. By the time I got done doing my crap, got back home, I was starving, so I just made my dinner there. I was like, screw it. So I got a piece left. And I'll tell you, this tuna is cooked perfect. About an 1/8 inch cooked, raw in the middle, nice. So I got my half cup of rice in here, 2.5 minutes. Blammo. Today I'm going to be throwing an egg in there. I want a little more protein. Yeah, these are store-bought eggs. So they're probably some fake stuff, but the wife, she bought a couple dozen of them, so I didn't feel like getting real eggs. So stir that up in there. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. All right. Throw me cheese in there. I got, this is about 3/4 of a jalapeno cut up. All right, blammo. Throw that in for a minute. Yum, yum, yum. I'm freaking starving. All right, blammo, let that go. Let's see if this tuna held its looks overnight in the fridge. No. Last night it was nice and red in the middle and cooked on the outside. You can still see it's red in the middle there. Whatever. Don't matter. That's neither here nor there. Doop-oo. Cut that up. That's good enough. Yeah, my wife, she won't eat this. I don't know if it's a religious thing or just no, it's not. She don't like this. She'd rather have a bowl of friggin' Lucky Charms. So, whatever. More for me. All right, nice. All right. Get the goods out. Oh. First I gotta do my cayenne pepper. I'm running a little low on that. I like me pepper, so it's really, really good. Get all that stuff mixed up in there. Oh. Ooh, that clears the sinuses out. Wowza. That's all right. Get me tuna in there. And that's it, man. Don't get no easier than that. All right, once it cools down, I'll be back. All right. I can't wait any longer. I am freaking starving. You know, it's Friday. Here's my fish, Lent, all that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Mmm. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't even taste that spicy. When I first stirred it up, that cayenne got up in my nose and really, but yeah, it's not that heated. One more, and I gotta go. Well, there you go, man. Man cooking. Easy, good, nummy. All right, see ya.